Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about how to securely store the data into database from the text area. So before jumping into the code, let me show you one thing. So this is my local WordPress site and here is my custom plugin in which I have added a custom meta box. So first of all, if you don't know how to create custom meta box, then I would suggest to watch this video first and then come back over here. Otherwise, keep watching this video. So creating custom meta box is tutorial number 20 from this playlist. Let's learn WordPress. So let me show you my meta box created. So let's edit this post. And as you can see here, I have created one text area. First let's move this meta box to the main area. So let me open my local WordPress repo and I will go to WP content plugins. My plugin includes custom action filters. So let me make this a bit smaller, and this is the function responsible for adding meta box. So I will move this meta box from here, from sidebar to the main area. So let me put normal here. Okay, now our meta box is here, and now we will learn how to securely store data from text area. So first of all, before securing, let me show you how it works. So currently I'm just storing the data whatever we pass into the text area, and saving the data into the database is using update post meta. And as you can see, I'm just passing that variable that post data whatever we get over here without any validation. So let's update this, and let's refresh this. So as you can see, it stored the script tag into the database. So if I can show you into the database, so which is very dangerous. We should not allow any script tag or any tag stored through any user input. So I'm gonna search this post ID. So as this is the post meta, so data will be stored in the post meta table. I'm gonna search the post ID, and as you can see, this value is stored in the database. So any malicious code user can add through this text area, and your site might hack using that script. So in order to overcome this issue, WordPress has a function called sanitize text area field. So we will use this function to sanitize this text area. So it is very simple. We just have to pass the data into this function and everything will handle by this function. In our previous video we saw that sanitize text field, which is used to sanitize data from the text field, and currently we are watching it for text area field. Okay, now let's try to update this and let's refresh this. So as you can see, no data has been stored, and let's refresh over here. No data has been stored. Now let's try to add div and let's see what happens. So as you can see, there is no tag added into the database because any tag is malicious. So this is how this sanitized text area field works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. This is the video, guys. Thanks for watching.